I'm Dr. Jacqueline Smith and I work at the Roslin Institute where I'm a group leader in avian genomics. So I basically examine DNA sequences to try and find genes that are associated with particular traits. My main focus is on what I would call resilience in birds, whether that be with regard to disease resistance or environmental adaptation. I'm particularly interested in the host response to Marek's disease virus and avian flu. Marek's disease has a big impact on the poultry industry, and avian flu is now a huge global problem. So if we can identify why some birds are more resistant than others to these particular diseases, we can understand what genes are involved and then potentially breed birds that are much more robust and resilient. Part of my work is also within CTLGH, where we work with African colleagues to examine the local indigenous breeds of chicken, because these birds are very well adapted to the local environments, which are much more extreme. It could be high temperatures or high altitudes, plus the birds are able to survive under scavenging conditions. If we can understand the genes responsible for these adaptations, we can then start to think about how we can breed birds that are highly productive, but also able to live under these extreme environments, which is something that is really increasingly important during this time of climate change, whereby we're really going to have to think about how we can produce livestock and poultry that can survive under these extreme conditions.